Hello everyone! Today we're diving into a comparison between Scalenut and Conductor, two powerful AI-driven SEO tools. First things first, click the link in the description box to access both platforms. So, let's jump right in. Let's start by looking at Scalenut. Scalenut offers a comprehensive suite of tools designed to streamline your content creation process. It boasts features like an SEO assistant, AI copywriter, and a managed marketplace for hiring top talent. This makes it a versatile solution for various content needs. One of Scalenut's key strengths is its support for both long-form and short-form content generation. This means you can tackle various content needs, from comprehensive articles to concise social media posts. Additionally, Scalenut provides insights into NLP term analysis and competition analysis directly integrated into the content creation workflow. In terms of pricing, Scalenut's pricing varies based on usage and features, including 3 options for individual users and businesses. On the other hand, Conductor specializes in enterprise-level SEO solutions, providing comprehensive data insights and actionable recommendations to help users optimize their SEO strategies effectively. It also provides advanced reporting and collaboration features tailored for large organizations with complex SEO needs. The platform includes features such as research keywords, competitive analysis, creating winning content, site health, keyword tracking, and impact measurement. In terms of pricing, Conductor offers a custom subscription-based pricing plan based on the size and needs of the organization. Pricing plans may differ in terms of the number of features included, catering to different user requirements. In summary, Scalenut may be preferred by users seeking a user-friendly interface and customizable features at a more affordable price point. In contrast, Conductor may appeal to enterprise-level users requiring advanced SEO solutions, comprehensive data insights, and tailored reporting capabilities, despite potentially higher pricing. That's all for today. Simply click the link in the description below to choose between these two platforms. Thank you for watching.